What is this?
This?
No, those people. Like, is that the Devil's launch?
No, Devil's is that way more.
This
closer
is,
to the bridge.
We're back at 4x4, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, I was about to say.
Well, that's 454 is back
a little down here.
there,
That's
yeah.
the side launch. That's where.
Oh, is that what that is?
Party is
Oh, I haven't seen that one yet.
Pretty sick.
Nice. There we go.
We're cruising. So, what direction is that? Wind is like this way? You'd say?
Yeah, if you look at the water, the waves point in the wind's direction. So right now it's kind of side on, I guess.
Dude, we are cruising.
I know. These boats are fast.
This is not nearly as sketchy as I thought it would be.
Yeah, the wind's pretty much perfect today for cruising around. Oh, all right, we hit a dead spot. Just leave it, stay there. It's because we went behind some hill or something that the wind said no to.
We're not, no.
There we go, it's back. For the most part.
So it's sailing, everything's starting to make a lot more sense. That's why you're saying loosen it, just let the jib flip, let the
yeah,
main.
and you can actually loosen it a little bit more if you want. So I think we're dealing with a kind of a friction issue. So see how there's the two sides of the jib sheet on the two pulleys there? The one closest to us is kind of tight.
Yep.
So if you loosen that up, I think it's just kind of like it's got too much friction. Oh, was it locked?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, never lock the other side.
Okay.
Only lock the side you're actually sailing on, so lock the other one. Yeah. There you go.
Can I tighten it a little more or just leave it like that?
That's good, yeah. So I'm hoping out there in the middle of the lake we'll have more wind and I can try to get out on the wire, hopefully.
And what's our red line? Like, where's Mexico? It's past the bridge, right?
It's past the bridge, yeah. With the water being so low, the Mexico side is actually like mostly land right now.
Awesome.
So,
we'll know.
Yeah, we're good. What I don't have yet are little pieces of like, is it VHS tape, that kind of the rolls, the black rolls?
Yeah.
So if you get some of that stuff, just like a foot or two, and you tie it onto those wires, they're so light they point directly where the wind's going.
Yeah.
So they're helpful to see.
Or you could have a pirate flag.
Or you could have a pirate flag.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's a move.
That's true. Yeah, swap the jib over.
Right now?
Yep. There we go. There we go.
One dude just wants to do it by himself.
Yeah, now it's better. Now it actually wants to.
This thing is fucking crazy now.
I know, I told you.
Damn. This is wild.
I know.
It's actually wild. Would you like to lay down more arrows?
Hey, can you get off my line for a second?
All right.
Yeah, thanks.
In case you fall off, what do you need me to do?
You can just kind of steer the boat into the wind,
Okay.
if that makes sense.
I'll just loosen every string I see.
Yeah, that actually would help as well. Get up a little bit. All right. Yeah, now we're not going fast enough. Yep. Well, that was a good test.
That looks really cool, man.
I felt cool.
Wakeboard someone on the back of a sailboat?
I have seen it done.
I guess if it's windy enough.
And it's one of these things, maybe, yeah. I've seen it done. It's like, you gotta be going, yeah. Let's see if I can't.
Not as physically exhausting as I thought it would be.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Give me some wind. Dude, I gotta get you to fit in that thing somehow. Because this is way too much fun.
I'll try to figure it out real quick.
All right. Yeah, not quite enough wind for two people, but like it could be just me or just you. Got to work on that transition a little bit.
So it doesn't just die?
Well, yeah, because I came in and kind of turned at the same time, which you're not supposed to do. So I got to kind of learn how to do it without doing that, but that'll come with time. There we go. Whoa. Yes, sir. Nice. 10? Yep. Not bad. Not too shabby. I gotta get better at that. All right, let's go ahead and tack. So leave the sail on that side for now, and you'll see it's gonna kind of help us turn through the wind.
You want me to loosen it or no?
No, not yet. All right, now you can swap it over. Yeah. And there's the boat ramp. I just wanted to find it again so I knew where it was. It's only 3 right now. Not too bad. All right, we're gonna tack. Ready?
Yep.
All right. Leave it there. Once we kind of start moving a little more, yeah, once it catches more. All right, now go. There we go. There we go.
That's what it's supposed to feel like.
Yeah, I know, right?
This way. Oh shit.
That's me trying to go faster, but
Going here or going to the right?
we're just gonna keep sailing.
So,
Yeah. All right.
so how are you feeling overall for the purchase and what you got it for?
Honestly, pretty darn good. Like, it's definitely an old boat, and it's not perfect, but like, it's doing pretty darn well.
So what would be the difference between this and like the 2023?
It would feel a lot stiffer. We probably wouldn't run into issues like the sail having a hard time going up.
Yep.
There's a couple soft spots on top of the holes that I found that aren't like too bad, but it would be super hard and stiff, which is what you want. How you're like having trouble with the jib sheet kind of being sticky, that wouldn't be an issue. Everything would just work more like it's supposed to.
Cool.
But I mean, it's the same boat, same shape, things work the same. It would have an upgraded outhaul and downhaul system, so those would be a little easier to use.
Outhaul, downhaul?
Yeah, the blue ropes that we did at the beginning, underneath the boom there. But yeah, I mean,
but nothing too crazy. It's
nothing
not like
nothing crazy.
Electronic button you hit that the sail comes up.
No, not on these boats. That'd be too heavy to have that kind of stuff on here. Go ahead and come back here. Yeah, there we go. Just come back more. Nice. Now we're flying. Which
12,
is
13.
all right, not bad. Not too shabby. There we go.
man.
Come on, baby. Don't die on me. Tighten jib. Yep. And then also maybe just like not have your feet there, because if I come in I want to trample you, you know. All right. Yep. Whoops. Yeah, got to get better at that. But it's working. Well, that was good. I guess top speed for today, right? 13? Not too bad.
I think it indicated 12.8, but
yeah.
I felt
Nice.
quick.
It was pretty quick.
I was standing up there, I was like, I feel like I shouldn't.
Oh, oh, that's what happened. This thing broke. I'll have to get a new one of
Oh
those.
shit, did you almost fall in or no?
No, because all it did was it kind of just shifted it down a little bit like that.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, this would still stop like that.
Yeah.
It's just too low to like work well, but that's okay. I can fix that later.
Yeah.
I can always just tie a knot in it too. That works as well. It's just not as adjustable. Although the water level being so low is kind of a bummer, these cliffs are kind of sick.
They are kind of dope.
You know, like, it's kind of a unique lake we got here.
Yep, and it's just a cliff.
Not too shabby. Oh yeah, nice. I think you're good. There we go. No, you're good. I just have to practice it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get it good, you know? Nice. All right, let's go full send mode. Nice. There we go. Come on, baby. You got more in ya. Oh, nope. Go back upwind. All right. There we go. That was better steering coming in.